I'm so excited. I have a new hair here. This is Current Events by Raquel Welch in Shaded Biscuit, which is one of my favorite colors. So let's see how she looks. Okay. Oh, this is really pretty, especially with my tan. And, oh, yes. Yes, 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 1,000 times yes. What do you all think? Just gorgeous, right? This is right out of the box. So little strands here. You always have to kind of work with it a little bit because they shed a little bit when you first get them out of the box. Oh, I like this. Just like this. Great summer look. Let you see the back. I love the swingy look. This is so cute. So cute. And this is called Current Events. Oh, I can definitely see wearing her to golf, wearing her to water ski, out on the boat, going to the little boat yacht club that we have up here in Lake Arrowhead. Just super good. Here's the hairline. Just super pretty. Well, have a great day and enjoy it. This is so pretty.